Response. They've also said that if parties in Kashmir side with the BJP, they will take forward the RSS agenda. Have a listen.
Salman, has Congress officially extended support to PDP?
Yes, we have officially extended our support to PDP through a written communication, and now we are waiting for a positive response.
You are waiting for a response from the PDP side, but short while back I spoke to Ram Madhav. He said back channel talks are on with both the political parties, regional players like National Conference and PDP. So how do you see this development and your role?
See, people of Kashmir have voted against BJP, and now if PDP and National Conference will join hands with them, as you know, BJP is known as a very communal force. So if they both, PDP and National Conference, will join hands with them, that would be a political suicide for both of them. And that means they are carrying forward the RSS agenda, and that would be a very, that would be a big insult for the Kashmiris.
Pradeep Dattana joins us from Jammu.